Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the fees associated with citizens' bank accounts. I know that fees can be a confusing and frustrating topic, so I'm going to try to keep things as simple as possible. I'll also be providing links to Citizens Bank's website, so you can do your own research and learn more about their fees. So, let's get started. What are the different types of fees that Citizens Bank charges? There are a few different types of fees that Citizens Bank charges. These include monthly service fees, overdraft fees, ATM fees, out-of-network ATM fees, wire transfer fees, foreign transaction fees, return check fees, late payment fees, monthly service fees. Monthly service fees are the fees that you pay to simply have a bank account. The amount of the fee will vary depending on the type of account you have. For example, checking accounts typically have lower monthly service fees than savings accounts. Overdraft fees. Overdraft fees are charged when you try to withdraw more money from your account than you have available. These fees can be very expensive, so it's important to be aware of them and to avoid them if possible. ATM fees. ATM fees are charged when you use an ATM that is not owned by your bank. These fees can vary depending on the bank you use and the ATM you use. Out-of-network ATM fees. Out-of-network ATM fees are charged when you use an ATM that is not owned by your bank or by a network that your bank is affiliated with. These fees are typically higher than in-network ATM fees. Wire transfer fees. Wire transfer fees are charged when you transfer money to or from another bank account. These fees can vary depending on the bank you use and the amount of money you are transferring. Foreign transaction fees. Foreign transaction fees are charged when you use your debit card or credit card to make a purchase outside of the United States. These fees can vary depending on the bank you use and the exchange rate. Return check fees. Return check fees are charged when a check that you have written is returned to your bank because it is not good. These fees can be very expensive, so it's important to make sure that you have enough money in your account before you write a check. Late payment fees. Late payment fees are charged when you make a late payment on a loan or credit card. These fees can vary depending on the lender. How can I avoid paying fees? There are a few things you can do to avoid paying fees. Choose a bank that has low or no monthly service fees. Avoid using out-of-network ATMs. Set up overdraft protection. Make sure you have enough money in your account before you write a check. Make on-time payments on your loans and credit cards. You can set up overdraft protection at your bank. You can sign up for email or text alerts to remind you when your bills are due. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.